Today I speak about the thermometers part 2, grade 7, subject physics, page 27. The date is 14/12/2021. About the thermometers. The learning objective of the today's lesson of part 2 of thermometer. The choice of a liquid, mercury or alcohol, temperature sensor, absolute 0. Here we have a page that you want to read it. I will give you 5 minutes to read it, or stop the video and read it now. Okay, read it. I will read some of it. The choice of liquids. Mercury is used because A, it expands evenly at a temperature rises, and B, it is good conductor of heat. Unfortunately, freeze is solid used in very cold places. Mercury is poisonous and cold must to be taken in the glass breaks. Okay, and the second you will read it. Liquid in glass thermometer. Alcohol or mercury is here. You can see the arrow, and the thread is this, and the narrative is here. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. It is made by filling the glass bulb and the capillary tube with mercury or alcohol. After heating to dry out of the air, the capillary tube is then sealed. As the liquid cools and contracts, the space above the capillary becomes partially vacuum. Differences of thermometer between mercury thermometer and alcohol thermometer from the advantage and disadvantage are: mercury thermometer. Advantage: it's cheap, durable, accurate, easily calibrate. Disadvantages: display is harder to read, does not work below minus 39 Celsius, Hg freezing point, and cannot be used for the thermograph. 4 slow bonds, 5 fragile, 6 mercury vapor is poisonous. Or the alcohol advantage: 1 freezing point about 140 Celsius, larger conflict of expansion, less hazardous. If you can see this word here, this is hazardous. Less durable alcohol evaporates. Alcohol can polymerize. 3 fluid loss by evaporation, hard to avoid. 4 lower boiling at 60 Celsius. Kinds of thermometer we have: based on discover, special thermometer. The based on discover 1 Celsius thermometer, remote thermometer, Fahrenheit thermometer, Kelvin thermometer. Or here we have the special thermometer, clinical thermometer, wall thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. Kinds of thermometer. Other thermometer, we have gas thermometer, platinum thermometers, thermistor thermometer, and the mobile thermometer, barometer thermometer. In this we have the clinical thermometer. It is so smaller than inside of the laboratory thermometer. It has constriction in the fine capillary tube. This prevents the mercury from contracting and flowing back when it is removed from human body. Temperature of surrounding mean lower. The scale ranges between 35 Celsius to 43 Celsius. This is enables the scale to be divided into smaller interlevels for greater accuracy. And the Kleiner thermometer. Definition of Kleiner thermometer is to measure body temperature, especially a small gas thermometer designed with a narrowing above the bulb so that the mercury column stays in position with the instrument removed the body. Okay, a thermometer having graduated glass tube with a pulp containing a liquid, typically mercury or colored alcohol, that expands and rises in the tube of that temperature increases. This is the clinical thermometer. Okay, now we will go to the another absolute 0. Okay, Now we will study the absolute zero. It is the lowest possible temperature where nothing could be colder and no heat energy remains in substance. It is very cold. You know, it is minus 73.15 Celsius or 459.67 Fahrenheit. That is very cold. The fundamental particles of the nature have minimal vibrational motion. The lower limit of thermodynamic temperature scale. It is taken as 273.15 Celsius or 459.67 Fahrenheit. Scientists have achieved temperatures close to absolute matter explain quantum effect. Absolute zero. Absolute zero is minus 27.3 Celsius. This is also known as 0 Kelvin or OK. To convert from C to K, just add 273. E.g. converting 120 Celsius to Kelvin, add 273. 273 plus 120 equal 393 Kelvin. If temperature of gas is reduced, the particles have less energy and move more slowly. Eventually, at a particular temperature, with the particles stop moving completely. This temperature is the lowest possible temperature and is known as absolute zero. Here we have match column. Please take a screenshot and answer it down in the description. In the comments. Take and answer it and send it to me in comments. And here. And thank you for watching it. A glass tube holds the bulb. Okay. Glass bulb contain the mercury skelters. This is the definition. Skelters. Please keep this to know more about thermometer and go and write thermometer and Wikipedia. You will know more for the thermometer if you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and goodbye. See you in the second.